What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is on my mazdaspeed 3. So if you guys having this problem, so my car, when I turn the AC on, my car overheats, and the fan, or so you guys will notice sometimes if you guys car's doing this. So if you're driving for a cool minute and you park your car, you turn your car off, and the fan still's going, it's going. It comes on and it stays on. That's what my car is doing. My car is overheating when I turn the AC on. So then when I drive it for a good amount of time, I turn the car off and the fan will come on. It will stay running until pretty much it kills the battery. I have the code. I'll try to bring it up right now because I forgot to bring my asset support. But the code is something about, I think it was called the fan control module malfunction. But I have it somewhere on my phone. When I post this video, I will put it on the screen so you guys can see what it is. So if your car is overheating, like it's getting too hot, where you have your AC on and the fan just comes on when the car is off, and it turns on and killing the battery. That's what my car is doing. So if you guys' car is doing that, this is probably the fix, especially if it has that code on. I just told you about the code. Definitely, this is what you want this is what you want to replace to fix that problem. Hopefully fix my problem. I mean, that's why I'm replacing it. That's what it's saying, is that unit is messed up. So I'll show you guys what it is. So this is the unit I'm talking about. This is called your fan control module. So this is what turns on. This is what tells the fan to turn on at a certain temperature. So when when it detects your car getting too hot, it will tell the fans to come on to cool the car down. Well, mine is not doing that. Mine is not turning on like it's supposed to. Then yeah, and it turns on when I turn the car off. You know what I mean? You want to have it on when it's when the car getting hot while you driving. Like I said, when I drive it, I can't even have my AC on, because if I turn my AC on, I guess this doesn't work right and it's making my car overheat. So that's what that is. So this is what I got. So you guys know me, I work at a dealer and I get discounts from Mazda because we partners. So you guys know when I get sensors, So you guys know when I get sensors, I get the OEM part from Mazda. So this part is not from Mazda. It's off-brand. I don't even know what brand it is. I got it off of Amazon. So when I went to Mazda, they do not sell this part no more for our cars. They even have, this part doesn't even come by itself. So to get this, from Mazda, it comes with the whole fan assembly, which they don't even sell that either. The one over here, they said they don't sell it no more, discontinued. So that sucks. I mean, I can probably find one online. This because the original one is a Bosch. I could probably find one online, but I couldn't find one. And so yeah, so I had to go with this one. This off-brand one sucks because you guys know, I like to get the original parts for my car. Especially the sensor wise, because original sensors last longer than some off-brand ones. So I don't know. I'll just put this on and see how long it works for. I mean, I'll come back maybe a few months later, see how it's going, if it's working good. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Put this on and yeah, see what happens. So the first thing you want to do is, since you're messing with connectors, you want to disconnect your battery. So I'm going to do that and get back to you guys. So like I said, you want to disconnect your battery when you're messing with anything with you're going to be unplugging sensors and stuff. You want to disconnect your battery always. Same with what you do if you're changing you're doing something with the airbag. You want to disconnect the battery because you don't want the airbag blowing up in your face. So battery disconnected. So now we can do the part. So there's a little Allen, not an Allen, but Try to take this socket off. So it's a Torx. There you go. It's a T20. So that's what you need to get that part off. As you can see the Torx right there. Tip it where the Torx is at. This right there. You will loosen that, and yeah, then unplug your connectors and go from there. So I only got doing one hand, so I'm gonna take it off. Then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I have it out. So yeah, once you pretty much when you take the Torx out, I'll show you. It's this right here. Once you take this out, there's little brackets that's kind of holding it. These right here, it'll be easy. Once you take that out, this will pop off, and you just gotta take off the connectors. One right here, one right here. So this is it right here. See, Bosch. There's a part number if you guys want to maybe look it up. Maybe you can find one. Sure, I'll probably use this and see if I can find a new one. It's gonna be expensive probably. But if I can find a used, original one like this, brand new, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. But I'm only buying this for now because, like I said, Mazda didn't have it. They don't sell no more, and this is what I need because it's getting hot in here, out here in California, and I need my AC. So yeah, so this is it right here. So next step, you just want to replace it. So before you do that, here's what it looks like. It's off. Check your connectors. My connector looks good. Check this one right here. Looks good. There's a connector down here, like a ground. That looks good, but yeah. So now next step is just going reverse, put it back on. So I'm gonna put it back on, put the Torx back on, and get back to you guys. So it's in. So I want to show you guys before. So when you take that Torx out, so instead of just pulling and breaking the brackets, so take it out. All you do just because it's on the bracket, so you just pull back like this, then it comes out like that. And once you put it back in, slide it back in. Stay in spot. You put your Torx this back on, then you put your Torx, and you're good to go. So before you bolt this back up, before you put it fully in, plug your plugs in first, because this especially this side, if you have it in, it won't fit because it's hitting the bracket right here. So before you put it fully in, make sure your plugs are connected. Then you can put it in. So now see it's in. So I'm about to put the Torx in, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, there we go. So everything's on, connected. It's simple. All right, just put that on. Yeah, there you go. So now what you want to do is just plug your battery connector back in. Well, fan came on. I don't know why I did that. Hopefully this is fix my problem. All right, battery's on. Everything's connected right. So I'm about to hook up my access port and take it for a test drive and see how it goes. Clear the lights and see how it goes. Well, light probably already clear because I just connected the battery. But I'm gonna check it anyways. But I'll come back to you guys when in there. Well, let's turn the car so you guys can hear. I don't think you guys heard the car. Wow. I didn't get a key fob because my key fob messed up. Mine is push to start, but I use this because my key fob messed up. It doesn't work, so I got a new one. See how the battery was like that because that fan was killing my battery. Yeah. So that fixed the problem. Like I said, I'm gonna get my access port. codes, which I knew it was gonna be no codes because I took the battery off to reset it. See, so it's good. So I'll let you guys know if it fixes problems. But if you guys if your car is doing what I said, if you turn the AC on and your car's overheating, getting too warm, or your fan is coming on when you turn the car off and it's staying on, that's your problem right there. Especially if it shows the code saying fan control. I think it said what it says, fan control module malfunction. That's what mine was showing. So if yours doing that, that's what this could be. Well, I think it's the problem because it says the fan control unit is malfunctioning. So that's what you want to replace. So like right now, I'm standing still. My car, like it's 185 right now, but when I'm standing still like this, like it will get hot. Like it goes up to like 230 something to almost 240, to the point where the light that comes on saying, letting you know that your motor's getting too hot, that will come on. It will blink. So I'm standing still right now and it's not even going up. So maybe fix the problem, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll come back a few months later, see how this unit is doing. But yeah, if you guys having that same problem, this is the problem right here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I know this is a little short video on the mazdaspeed, and again, I said it in I think the mod list. As people asking me on my Instagram, are you doing anything to the Mazda, or are you selling it? No, I'm not selling it. Like I said, guys, when you is a YouTuber, especially a YouTuber like working on cars, like it's good to have multiple cars to make content. Yes, my YouTube channel was made from my Mazda. This is the car I had when I made my YouTube channel, and now I have the G35. So why not put the G35, get some mods and stuff like that, fixing up cars? Cause that's what I like to do. I like to buy parts, put them on the cars, make them look nice. So that's what I'm doing to the G35. That's what I'm trying to do with this one too. Again, guys, I'm gonna still make content with the mazdaspeed. Don't worry, I'm not getting rid of it. Like the OGs, you guys know. Only time I'll get rid of the mazdaspeed if it's going towards an Evo. Evo is my dream car. Well, one day we'll have, but if I sell the Mazda, it's because I'm using the money to get an Evo. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if your car is doing the same thing what my car is doing. Like I said, this could be your problem. That's the problem right there for your car. That's the fix. So yeah, I'm about to turn the AC on and see how it goes, and see if it fixes the problem. But till then, see you guys in the next one. All right, so I had the AC on running, drove over here to get some food, and my AC is blowing cold too now, and it haven't went up to like 200 and something. So yeah, looks like it fixed the problem. Yeah, and two, I want to say, if your AC is like blowing cold and hot, like it's not really getting warm, or it's not really getting cold, but you feel it's getting cold, but then it feels like it's getting hot, that's your reason too, because that module, the fan unit is malfunctioning, so it's not having the fan come on like it's supposed to. So it looks like mine, look, it's even dropping a little bit now. So yeah, looks like it fixed the problem. So yeah, if you guys having the same issue as me, that's your problem. It's the fan module control unit. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully this helped you guys out there that's having the same problem as me. Yeah, that was a problem. All right, guys. Well, I see you guys in the next one.